example 12. Identify the more stable form in the following resonance structures. Let's consider the option 1. So here what we can do is we can follow the rules of resonance. The first rule of resonance is to count the number of covalent bonds. Whoever has more number of covalent bonds is more stable. The second rule is if the number of covalent bonds are same, then we now see if there is any atom with an incomplete octet. If there is an incomplete octet, we can watch out for carbocation. Then that would mean that that species is less stable. So complete octet meaning more stable. All atoms should be having a complete octet. Next, we can check the charge. Preferably no charge resonating structures are preferred over charged. If charge has to be there, then minus charge is preferred on more electronegative atom. This is an important point. Minus charge, if present, should be on a more electronegative atom. This would cause stability. Finally, if there are charges on species, on atoms which are next to each other, then they should be unlike charges. If like charges are present like this, then this would cause instability. So unlike charges should be present on adjacent atoms. Let's check all these rules here one by one. In the first option, we can clearly see that there are less number of covalent bonds as compared to the second one here. Here we can see that there are 4 bonds here, and in the first one there were only 3 bonds. So second is more stable than the first. Going to the next option, quickly checking all the number of covalent bonds, they seem to be same in both the structures. Next, checking whether there is any carbocation or any such atom which could be having an incomplete octet, that also we don't see. So going to the point 3, that is charge. We can see that here the charge is on carbon, the negative charge is on carbon, whereas here the negative charge is on oxygen. Negative charge, if present, should be present on the more electronegative atom. So this second species is more stable than the first one. Coming to option 3, once again we can see that the covalent bonds are same and there is no atom with incomplete octet. So going to the next point, here we have a negative charge on oxygen, here we have a negative charge on carbon. Once again, first species is more stable than the second because negative charge on electronegative atom, and oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Coming to the fourth one here, counting the number of covalent bonds only, we can see that here we have only 3 covalent bonds, whereas here we have 4. Not total, I have not counted here each carbon hydrogen bond, not in detail, but as the atoms are same here and not changing, here also we have CH3, CO and OH. So those bonds we are not counting here, so as to be a little more quick, we are just counting these bonds here. So 1, 2 and 3, and here you can see that we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So more number of covalent bonds, more is the stability, so 2 is more stable than 1. So this is how we can find out the stability by using our 4 rules here.